Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Talimul Islam. Welcome back to our English vision. Now we are practicing our outdoor session. So let us start. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Hassan Al Banan Rafi.
Okay, mashallah. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Jojan Labedin.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sultan Razia.
Okay, mashallah. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Okay, mashallah. Which class do you study?
I'm in class 3.
Okay, mashallah. What is the name of your madrasa?
My madrasa name is Numodinatul Madrasa.
Where do you living?
I live in Asharpara.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay, mashallah. What is your favorite food?
Um, Chicken fry.
Okay, mashallah, chicken fry. Okay. What do you want to be in your future?
Harvest.
Hafiz. Okay, mashallah, mashallah. Do you like English?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, mashallah. Okay.